You might be confusing your dog without realizing it. Dogs don't come with a clean slate. They may have been through stress, fear, or inconsistent treatment. So when you constantly change rules, one day allowing something, the next day correcting it, it creates confusion. Even raising
What
your
were you
voice suddenly
thinking?
can remind
You
them of
are a
past
bad
negative experiences.
dog!
What feels normal to you might feel unpredictable to them. Dogs need consistency, patience, and calm energy. That's how they learn to trust again. Drop a comment, like this video, and hit subscribe for more pet tips.